The Kansas Soybean Commission joining us once again with another incredible, very colorful looking summertime recipe. And real quick, I want to mention this is actually in a book that folks can get.
That's right. We've talked about it several times. So if they haven't ordered it from us yet, it is free. And my goodness, it's a 4-color book. It's lots of pages, I think 30 some pages, and lots of information, recipes on soy foods and why they're nutritious and reasons why you should have it. This is called the Chili Crisp Tofu Bowl.
Okay.
So it would be a light lunch or dinner to have this summer, and uses tofu. If you haven't tried tofu, this is a really great recipe to try with it. So what I did ahead of time, this is the tofu. I cut it up into cubes, and then it was coated with soy sauce and that we've added to it, but we put cornstarch in it, and so that it kind of would get crispy. Went into the oven and brown, so about 20 minutes at a 400-degree temperature. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make this sauce that goes with it, Chris.
Okay.
And these have some interesting ingredients. This is a Japanese mayonnaise that we're going to start with.
Okay.
So it has just a little bit of spice to it. And then to that, we're going to add the sriracha. You can hand me that.
Okay.
And then you can pour in the chili crisp sauce that's right there. Right there in front of you.
Okay.
There, that's great. And then we have a little bit of lime juice. Boy, isn't that going to be colorful?
Yeah.
You can see that. Then I'll let you add the lime juice. There we go. And we'll mix that. Can you smell those spices?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, how pretty is that? That's going to be pretty. So now the tofu is what we've already cooked. I'm going to put that in there, and we're going to just stir that and coat that. I think that's going to give that a lot of great flavor.
Okay.
Now, what it says to do here, and is I've already cooked, this is our whole grain rice. Brown rice. So we've put that in our bowl because we're going to build this now. And I'm going to take the tofu, and put it in here. So we have that, and that's nice and coated. We'll do that. And it says you can serve the sauce separate, but it actually coats that really well that I think we probably don't even need to do that. We'll just put that all in there. Okay, then to that we're going to add edamame.
Okay.
And I already cooked this. That comes in the frozen package now, so you can just put that whole package right into the microwave.
Okay.
I think we've talked about that, so it makes it real easy to do. We'll add that there. Okay, and then we have some avocado.
Okay.
That makes a nice addition to it, and I'm just going to add that here on top. You can cube it. Recipe suggests to slice it, but you could do it however you wanted to serve it there.
Okay.
I'll put that there. And then, Chris, you have some green onion. You see that there? You can just sprinkle that over the top of it. We've built quite a bowl there, haven't we? And then we have some sesame seed, and these are toasted, and we'll just add that.
Perfect.
How does that look?
That looks pretty good.
Oh, I think it does too. And now we have a little bit of that sauce left, and we're just going to drizzle that over the top of it.
Okay.
And we have built our chili crisp bowl there. And this recipe will actually serve about 4 people if we divided it out into different bowls. Okay. But a great recipe to try this summer. And if you haven't tried tofu, this would be another great opportunity to do that.
Yeah. And I mean, even though there's so many ingredients, it's a very simple dish to put together. It may look overwhelming, but it's not.
That's right.
It's still pretty easy. So, of course, Charlene, if they want this recipe or any of the others, where do they need to go?
They should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, or you can call our 800 number, 877-KS-Soybean, and we'll mail you all the recipes for July.
And they can order that book if they don't already have it.
That's right.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much. And, of course, this will all be on our website as well a little later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.